people. I know you like to eat a lot of food. So this is an AI for only you. It's called ChefGPT. For example, you can make a lot of recipes from ChefGPT. It's a lot of fun to make. Like for example, you can make pizza, burger, muffins, fries. So delicious.
ChefGPT is like having your own very personal chef right on your device. It helps you create delicious recipes using the ingredients you already have at home. Imagine you have some tomatoes, cheese, and pasta. Yummy, yummy. Just search ChefGPT and it will come up with a yummy recipe for you. ChefGPT can also help you plan your meals, making sure you eat healthy and tasty food every day. It's perfect for anyone who loves cooking or wants to learn new recipes. So, if you want to make cooking fun and easy, check out ChefGPT. Link in the description. It's like having a super smart chef in your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome videos. See you next time. Bye.